Grand rising and happy hump day. I hope you guys are having a great day and are gonna have a great day. And nothing like a foggy morning in the morning. And for those wondering and asking, how can you walk in the fog? The some each that you get to go out there, hit the streets, go to the bars, go to the clubs. It's a habit, so leave me alone. And you do you, I'm gonna do me, and hey, we all gotta maintain our habits this year, right? So yeah, have a great day. So I can't even talk. I'm so excited. We just stayed our cute little 5 miles plus. So yeah, have a great day.